how to import leads into Pipedrive. In this video, I'll show you how to import leads into Pipedrive. So to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive into your preferred device. And then once you're on Pipedrive, navigate to the leads inbox. So on your dashboard, you'll find the leads icon at the left side of your screen. So you need to hover your mouse on the sidebar to be able to find the leads tab. And then once you find that, go ahead and click on that, and that will take you here. So in here, click on this drop down at the plus lead section at the left side, and then click on import data. From here, go ahead and select leads is what you'd like to import, and then click on the next button. So on the next step, you need to upload your spreadsheet, such as XLSX or Excel file, or your CSV file. So you can drag and drop the file in this section. After that, you need to map your fields. So match your spreadsheet columns to Pipedrive's lead fields, and you can also map the custom fields if you've set any up. Now after that, you need to double check your mappings and then click on next to preview the import. If everything looks good, hit on the start import button. Once imported, your leads will appear into the leads box, and you can filter, assign, or convert them into deals from there. And that is how you can basically import leads into Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.